These AI tools will 10x your income in 2023. In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital age, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer an option. It's a necessity for those looking to thrive, not just survive. As we step into 2023, the integration of AI tools into various aspects of our personal and professional lives has reached new heights. From streamlining workflows to making data-driven decisions, AI tools have the potential to supercharge your income. 10. ChatGPT, conversational AI for customer support and sales. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge conversational AI tool developed by OpenAI. It's designed to interact with customers, answer their queries, provide assistance, and even drive sales in a conversational manner. In the digital age, customer support plays a pivotal role in retaining customers and driving sales. ChatGPT can provide 24/7 support, ensuring that customer inquiries are addressed promptly. This leads to higher customer satisfaction, repeat business, and positive word of mouth, all of which contribute to increased revenue. ChatGPT can assist in product recommendations and upselling. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, it can suggest complementary products or services, leading to increased average transaction values and revenue. Scaling up customer support and sales teams can be expensive and time-consuming. 9. Jarvis, content generation and copywriting AI. Jarvis is an AI-powered content generation tool developed by Conversion AI. It specializes in creating high-quality written content, making it a valuable asset for bloggers, marketers, and businesses. Jarvis can produce blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and more. By automating content creation, you can publish content more frequently, improve your website's SEO, and attract more organic traffic, ultimately leading to increased income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or product sales. Effective email marketing campaigns are crucial for many businesses. Jarvis can generate compelling email copy that engages subscribers and drives conversions. Higher email open rates and click-through rates can directly lead to increased sales and revenue. 8. GPT-3, AI-powered language model. GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, is one of the most powerful language models in existence. It can understand and generate human-like text, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. GPT-3 can generate content across various formats, including articles, essays, social media posts, and more. This not only saves time but also allows you to consistently produce high-quality content, attracting more readers and potential revenue through ads or affiliate marketing. GPT-3 can analyze user data to create highly personalized marketing campaigns. By tailoring your marketing messages to individual preferences and behaviors, you can increase conversion rates and customer loyalty, ultimately boosting your income. In a globalized world, breaking language barriers is essential. 7. Replica, AI-powered mental health and wellness assistant. Replica is an AI chatbot designed to provide mental health and emotional support. It can help users manage stress, anxiety, and depression by engaging in therapeutic conversations. If you're a mental health professional or therapist, integrating Replica into your practice can broaden your client base. Replica can provide support between sessions, offering users a continuous source of assistance in coping strategies, which may attract more clients seeking your services. For those in the wellness and coaching industry, Replica can assist clients in setting and achieving their goals. This could range from fitness and nutrition coaching to productivity and life coaching. By offering personalized guidance 24/7, you can attract more clients and increase your income. 6. IBM Watson, AI for business decision-making. IBM Watson is a comprehensive AI platform that provides businesses with powerful tools for data analysis, decision-making, and automation. IBM Watson can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights and recommendations. Businesses that leverage these insights can make more informed decisions, such as optimizing product offerings, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns, ultimately leading to increased profitability. Understanding customer behavior is crucial for tailoring products and services. IBM Watson can analyze customer data to identify trends and preferences, allowing businesses to offer personalized experiences that attract and retain customers, boosting revenue. IBM Watson's automation capabilities can streamline business processes, reducing operational costs and increasing efficiency. 5. OpenAI Codex, AI-powered coding assistant. OpenAI Codex is a powerful AI tool designed to assist developers in coding tasks. It can write code, debug programs, and provide documentation. Codex accelerates the development process by generating code snippets and automating repetitive coding tasks. This results in shorter project timelines, allowing developers to take on more projects and increase their income. Codex can identify and fix code errors, enhancing the quality of software and reducing debugging time. High-quality software is in high demand, attracting more clients and higher-paying contracts. Well-documented code is essential for collaboration and maintenance. 4. Google's BRT, AI for Search Engine Optimization, SEO. Google's BRT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is an AI model used by Google to understand search queries better and provide more relevant search results. Understanding how BRT works is crucial for optimizing content for search engines. By creating content that aligns with BRT's natural language processing capabilities, you can improve your website's search engine rankings. Higher rankings lead to increased organic traffic, attracting more potential customers and revenue. BRT prioritizes high-quality, relevant content. By focusing on creating valuable, informative, and engaging content, you can not only please BRT but also retain and convert more visitors. 3. Adobe Sensei, AI for creativity and design. Adobe Sensei is an AI-powered platform integrated into Adobe Creative Cloud applications. It enhances creativity and design processes by automating tasks, offering intelligent features, and providing insights. For designers and creatives, time is money. Adobe Sensei automates repetitive tasks such as image editing, font selection, and color matching, allowing designers to work faster and take on more projects. This translates to increased income through additional client work. Adobe Sensei can analyze user data to offer personalized design recommendations. This is invaluable for businesses looking to create customized marketing materials, websites, and graphics that resonate with their target audience, ultimately driving sales and revenue. 2. Amazon Rekognition, AI for image and video analysis. Amazon Rekognition is a powerful image and video analysis service that uses AI to identify objects, faces, and text within visual content. Visual search is transforming e-commerce. Amazon Rekognition can enable visual search capabilities on your e-commerce platform. This allows users to search for products by uploading images, leading to higher conversion rates and increased revenue. For content platforms, ensuring user-generated content adheres to community guidelines is essential. Amazon Rekognition can automatically detect inappropriate or harmful content, reducing moderation costs and risks of legal consequences. This can lead to more efficient operations and cost savings, contributing to increased income. 1. Midjourney AI, AI for automation and passive income generation. Midjourney AI is a comprehensive AI platform designed to automate various tasks and create income streams through AI-powered content generation, social media automation, and more. Content is king in the digital world. Midjourney AI can automate content creation for blogs, websites, and social media. This not only saves time but also ensures a consistent flow of high-quality content, which can attract more readers and increase income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or product sales. Maintaining a strong social media presence is crucial for many businesses. Midjourney AI can automate posting schedules, engage with followers, and analyze trends. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.